This is the all new Tecno Pop 8.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Tecno Pop 8. Last few months we witnessed the existing launch of Tecno Pop 7. Now this is the Pop 8.
So first of all, let's start with the price. The Pop 8 goes around 98,700 naira, and it also features, SOC TC06 processor, 128 GB internal storage, 4 GB of RAM, and 13 megapixel rear camera setup, and support of 90Hz refresh rate with 5000 mAh battery capacity, and the ultra popular dynamic bar.
Please, if you're new to my channel or this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon.
Let's move to the unboxing experience. This is the box. First thing you see is the phone. Wrapped just like the previous Pop series. The Pop 8 doesn't look bad in design, but I will just keep it aside and move to the accessories. The first item is the bumper case. It is both flexible and transparent. Take a look at it. I might say that it fits the phone perfectly, both the rear and the back. Next is the 10 watts fast charger, a Type-C cable, a pair of earpiece, and SIM reject pin.
Another thing that impressed me with this device is that it comes with 5000 mAh battery.
As for the external features, we have the power button which serves as the fingerprint scanner and a volume up and down rocker key at the right hand side. And of course, unlocking the smartphone with the side mounted fingerprint is very okay. I was very impressed how fast it unlocked the phone, and that is fine. And then you have the USB connectivity underneath the phone, the microphone, the earphone port, and the speaker grill, and then extra microphone on top of the device. Now the SIM has now located at the left corner, which accommodates 2 nano SIM card with a space of SD card. Wow, I love the stereo speakers that comes with the Tecno Pop 8. Let's check how the sound look like. The speakers are very loud. Hear it for yourself.
That's by the way. Now let's talk about other things. Please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I put in when making this video, why can't you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching.
As for the size, this phone features a 6.6 inches display with a very good resolution and vibrant color. And this ensures that you have an immersive viewing experience. So whether you're watching YouTube videos or scrolling between social media, the colors are so detailed and decent enough for a budget smartphone, especially the 90Hz screen refresh. You won't experience any lags at all, just that it might consume more battery life, but you can switch in between 60Hz or 90Hz if you wish to do so. Now let's talk about the design. The Spark 10 series has the same design. The Pop 8 series has the same design. The Hot 30 series has the same design. The Smart 8 series has the same design. The itel S23 Plus has the same design, and the itel A70 has the same design. So how do we differentiate these phones? Wow, that is by the way. Let's talk about other things.
It's also powered by SOC TC06 processor. That is the same processor that is powered by the itel S23 Plus and the Infinix Smart 8. Wow, that's by the way. Now let's talk about other things.
Talking about the charging capacity, it comes with 10-watt charger, which is pretty look for a phone with a 5000 mAh battery. The least Tecno could have done is to make the phone to support 18 watts charging, and then add an 18-watt charger inside the box. Up next is the camera. Just like the Smart 8, the Pop 8 offers a 13 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. In terms of picture quality, it actually captures decent photos with good details. This is some of the pictures taken with the Tecno Pop 8. So tell me how the color look like on the comment section below, and the image that the camera produced on the comment section below. Well, when looking at it, I might say that it look okay for its price range. Well, that is by the way. Another aspect is that it also supports slow motion mode, and it is mostly useful when there is a sufficient light. For example, in these settings, I'm using an additional studio light to get this quality. For normal videos, it records 1080p and 720p videos at 30 frames per second. What you will now see on the screen is how the video voltage look like.
I use this device when playing game with this device. I don't see any issue. But what I notice is that this device gets a little bit warm. Not even getting a little bit warm. By the time more apps and more games are installed in this device, I might say that this device will certainly lag. What I mean is that this device certainly runs slow because of what? It's because of the some processor that is powered inside this device. It's powered by some PC06 processor. Wow, that's by the way. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.